who first answers what game is it from is gonna win.
I've not played that big of a variety.
Good.
Yeah, I feel like
Okay.
Nick will win.
Are you ready?
Maybe. That's Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time.
Ah,
Easy.
Fuck!
That was like, I didn't even
that was
do
too fast.
Jesus.
So horrible.
No idea.
San Andreas?
What?
GTA 5?
No, play it
GTA
again,
4?
play it
Or
again.
any of the GTA games.
It is GTA, but which one?
3, 2.
GTA 2.
GTA 5.
Okay, I'm gonna give you half a point.
Ah,
It
which
was
one?
What
four.
GTA?
It was 4.
Why is it 4?
Ah, Mario Galaxy. No
I'm
idea.
gonna do a completely random guess. Binding of Isaac.
What?
Metal Gear?
No.
Really, no idea.
Yeah, pass.
God of War? The Witcher? No.
Hold on.
You guys!
It's not
I
easy.
The only PlayStation 5 game I played was GTA 5.
Was that Baldur's Gate?
Yes.
That was Baldur's
Which
Gate.
one?
3.
Oh!
Oh, that's Elden Ring.
No.
That was easiest one ever. You need more notes.
Half-Life. Or any of the Half-Life games. The Valve intro. Half-Life is my game.
You won.
Yes, I did. I could have did.
That's Metal Gear. Metal Gear Solid. The first. That was
No.
not. Play it.
I mean, you're right, but
That's Metal Gear.
you're not right which one, though.
Oh.
It's either 1 or 3.
Well, it's not 1 or 3.
2. Metal Gear 2.
It's two.
Yes, I won.
You don't.
Last of Us?
Yes.
It was the worst.
Damn.
You kind of just guessed, to be honest.
Oh, I know that song. That's Final Fantasy 9.
Minecraft.
How did you do it?
I've been playing Minecraft before I got here.
He probably
Huh.
plays Minecraft more than any of us.
Yeah.
I know this song. Soul Calibur?
No.
Assassin's Creed?
What?
Speed? No, I would not have.
Devil May Cry. Yeah, that's Devil May
Yeah,
Cry.
yeah, that's-
No,
Metal
that was
Gear. Is this Metal Gear 1?
No.
Sounds
2. Metal Gear 2.
No.
Like... No, pass.
Pass.
Call of Duty 4.
Oh,
Oh,
why.
that's right. Yeah. No.
Hold on. I know this one.
No? You know?
Yeah.
That was Diablo.
Huh?
Diablo. Oh, that is that theme.
Yeah.
That's like one of the most famous themes. I knew it. That's why I knew it. Oh, I don't
You know?
remember it.
Yeah, I do.
Soul Calibur.
I frickin' said that.
Which one was that?
Perfect Dark.
Yeah, I never heard of it.
Yeah.
This is Jet Set Radio. Just kidding.
Hmm.
It's Parappa the Rappa.
Oh, that might be it.
No, it's not.
Friday Night Funkin'?
No.
That is not on the
That's
Pro Skater 3.
No?
No.
Red Dead Redemption.
Oh.
Metroid Prime.
Metro. Yeah, no, there's
Yeah.
no way.
Yeah,
That
no,
is-
no,
that is a
haven't played
shame.
it.
Yeah, now it's Parappa the Rappa.
I give up.
That was NFL 2K1.
Ah,
Who would have known an NFL game? Oh, I know that theme.
Hogwarts Legacy?
Yeah, because I said John
What?
Williams.
Oh, wow.
Why didn't you say it?
Because I wasn't 100% sure.
Oh, Portal. Portal 2. Portal 2. Easy.
No idea.
Tekken 3.
I knew it was a fight. I knew...
Monster Hunter?
Dude, if it was Monster Hunter, I would have lost it. This one might be another all pass.
Yeah, which
Mass
one?
Effect 2.
Oh.
That's why.
God of War. God of War Ragnarok.
Just God of War.
Oh, the
Oh,
2018.
okay, well,
Astrobot.
Ah, it's an Avatar game.
Yeah, it sounds like a
It sounded like the
Yeah,
Avatar
yeah, yeah.
soundtrack, and I know they made a game
Yeah.
from it. So, Prince of Persia?
That's what you.
That'd have been a good guess.
Yeah.
No idea.
Witcher.
Ah, of
Two.
course.
Yes, it's-
There's only 2 left. This one and that
2?
I really can't.
Okay, well, I'm prepared to get the last one. I'm prepared to get the last one.
This is That's Dragon Age? 3, that's Inquisition.
I wanna-
Andre has 2.5, Gustavo has 5, and Nick has 7.5.